Turkey to receive F-35 jets sooner or later. Erdogan. Turkey model for Muslim nations to attend economy. Turkey to assist children of Daesh terrorists in Iraq. Gulf states OK US troop redeployment. Report. YPG PKK terrorist group expels 500 Arabs in Syria. 6 Daesh militant killed in northern Iraq. Bahrain asks citizens to leave Iran and Iraq. Turkish ANC distributes Ramzan Eid in Argentina. Al-Shabaab demands $1.5 million to free addicted Cuban doctors. Rabat hopes Algeria's new rules will reopen border. PM. Myanmar Muslim resume worship after mob threats. Indian forces kill 3 militant in Kashmir.